Starting this Sunday, travelers will no longer need a negative COVID-19 test before entering the United States. The Biden administration choosing to lift this requirement. Connor Bohr joins us now here in the studio. And Connor, despite that travel regulation being lifted, many areas, including here in Central Texas, actually seeing an uptick in COVID cases.
That's exactly right, Brian. That is why yesterday Austin Public Health announced that Travis County's COVID-19 community level has gone from low to medium. And if you look at this dashboard behind me, you can see the trends over the past 2 weeks for Central Texas have been going up in cases. And that's the same in Travis County, where you're seeing the same trends with more cases over the past 2 weeks. Now, leaders I talked to say this is why they want people to be extra careful this summer. COVID-19 has become back of mind for many people in recent months, but we are now seeing an uptick in cases and hospitalizations in Travis County.
We've had 60 to 70 patients in hospital that are positive for COVID-19.
Dr. Desmar Walks with Austin Public Health says we are seeing the highest number of people in the hospital with COVID since January. But for most people, the 2 new variants of Omicron spreading in our community will not cause severe illness.
It seems at this point that it causes mild illness in those who aren't susceptible to poor outcomes.
Now that Travis County has been upgraded to medium level community spread, it is recommended those who are at risk wear a mask when social distancing is not possible. Right now, people 5 and older are eligible for a booster shot, and people 50 and older and those who have underlying issues are eligible for a second booster shot.
Getting that extra booster shot will give you more protection and help you as we're dealing with these new variants that are more transmissible.
Right now, leaders with Nomi Health, which has 2 main COVID test sites in Austin, say more people have been getting tested recently.
Specifically in Central Texas, we can see those starting to kind of trend upwards, and they have been since pretty much the beginning of May.
She says it is not just the number of tests that are increasing.
We're seeing an increase in positivity rates as well. So the highest really since the beginning of April have been coming, trending slightly upwards.
Both leaders hope people will keep their health in check and make safe decisions so we can control this current surge.
So I'm hoping that we'll, get that extra bit of wind because the race is almost won.
Austin Public Health has also been tracking wastewater. Dr. Walk said that recent wastewater testing shows that there's actually 30 times more COVID-19 in our community than we have recorded. This is due to people being asymptomatic and also using at-home COVID-19 tests. Back to you.